Good morning students, welcome back to Alchemy online class. As we in the last video, we all have discussed about keyboard. So in this video, we are going to see the new chapter. So how to arrange the different things in computer, that is understanding operating system. So we are going to see how to operate the computer with operating system. So let's start with some topics. So students, take out your page number 26 of course book. So I connect section. So we are going to see here one stationery is there and two students are talking to each other. Look Ria, the salesmen here are dealing with customers so nicely. They understand what the customer wants. Take out just those products and show it to them. So what he is telling that the salesman is putting the things very properly in the stationery. Yes Satark. And look at the way in which all the products have been arranged properly by them. Similarly, a software called operating system interact with user and make the computer to do desired for them. So what is the conversation between them? The conversation is that how things are be arranged in properly in a shop. So like that in computer also we can arrange the things properly, that is called software. So students, in this chapter we are going to explore, learn about operating system. We are going to learn about operating system, that is OS. Understand Microsoft Windows, that is one type of operating system. We are going to understand Microsoft Windows. Learn about desktop icon and taskbar. Study the components of a Windows. So students, operating system. So what is operating system according to you all? Okay, let me tell you. Operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. So without operating system, not a single technology can run. Example, the mobiles, the laptop, the computers, these all are run through the operating system that are installed in the technology machines. Okay, it is a software that let us communicate with the computers. Okay, so Androids and iOS are examples of operating system for mobiles, and for computer or laptop we can use Microsoft Windows, Linux and Mac OS. It controls all our work. It controls all our work in our computer. Example, if I turn on any video, any computer or laptop, when it goes round like this windows, that is called an operating system. So students, 27 page number, checkpoint 1. So find out the operating system used. In our school, what kind of operating system we are using? So in school we all are using Windows 7. So you all have to write here Windows 7. In our home computer, what software you are using, what operating system you are using, you only have to write here. In your father's mother's mobile, Android or OS, you have to write here. Okay. So students, we are going to learn the first operating system, that is Microsoft Windows, that we all are using in our school, at home or some very personal computers. So Microsoft Windows operating system is the most popular operating system. So many people are using Microsoft Windows. So Microsoft Windows is a graphical user interface. We do not remember text-based command to operate the computer. It is small pictures, icons. So Microsoft Windows is very easy. Their icons are present. We can use anything easily by using Microsoft Windows. No coding are there. So you can do the clicking, pointing, dragging. We can learn many things. We can do the programs at the same time. Okay. So many things we can do on the Microsoft Windows. Example, see my laptop. You all can see my laptop, and this is also one kind of operating system. This is a one kind of operating system. Here I can do, this is the start menu. If I click on the desktop, here so many icons are there, taskbar is there, so I can use the things easily. This is the Microsoft Windows 8.
Microsoft Windows operating system. Windows 10 is an operating system that was developed by Microsoft in 2015. It is the follow-up to the Windows 8 operating system. The operating system is the most important program that runs on a computer. Operating system recognizes input from the input devices. It sends output to the output devices. It keeps track of files and folders on the disk. It controls peripheral devices such as disk drives and printers. It communicates with other computers on a network. Every computer must have an operating system to run other programs and applications.
So students, we are going to see who founded the Microsoft Windows operating system. Microsoft, the company that owns Windows OS, was founded on April 4, 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Its headquarters is located in Redmond, Washington. So students, page number 27 you all have to read at your home. I read section and Microsoft operating system. Okay, and I will ask you some questions in the next Zoom class. I hope you all have understood the concept today I taught you. So you all have to refer your course book and read the I read sections from the chapter. Bye students, be safe, stay home.